Hello guys. I'm Mary. Today I will talk to you about FOLITAL. I am here to warn you about the importance of acquiring this supplement safely. Before deciding whether you should buy this product, I also have a very important warning that will help preserve your health. The first notice you should know about FOLITAL is that it is only sold on the official website. You cannot get it anywhere else, so be very careful and make sure to buy the original supplement from the official website, because unfortunately some people have sold this product on unauthorized websites. And to help you, I left the link of the official website below, in the description of this video. So make sure to check when you're finished watching this video. So you might be wondering what FOLITAL is and if it really works? The answer is yes, it works. And after many laboratory tests, researchers have identified that there is a natural formula with high-quality concentrated ingredients. You just need to keep in mind that this product is completely safe to use, is processed under precise standards. FOLITAL has been tested and approved by over 62,000 people around the world, and no one has complained of side effects. If you are struggling with hair loss, all you need is to correctly follow the guidelines of the experts who developed the 100% natural formula, and soon you will begin to notice that your hairline will begin to improve in a short time, and your bald spots will grow thick strong. You can definitely rely on this supplement. Many people are having great results with FOLITAL, and you can also get these results. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. This is a little obvious, but I am telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Upon that, there is something very important. There is something interesting about this product that you need to know before you buy it, is that you can actually test FOLITAL for 60 days, and if you don't see the results or if you don't like it for any reason, you'll get your money back, so it's completely risk-free. It is important that you take the treatment seriously. You will start to see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months of using this product. Another important thing for you to know is that FOLITAL has absolutely no side effects, since its ingredients are 100% natural, and most importantly, you don't have to worry because it is intended for people of all ages. Absolutely anyone can take, is FDA approved and made in a GMP certified facility. I decided to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website that you will buy FOLITAL, and also if you buy the product have to do the exact treatment. Take it seriously so that it really works. Remember, if you keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body works in a very unique way, but I really recommend that you take the treatment for at least 3 months in order to get better results. I really hope this video has helped you, and if you have any questions you can leave them in a comment below, and I'll be happy to help you. Remember, if you want to buy FOLITAL with a special discount, as I said, I will leave the link from the official website below in the video description. Good luck with your treatment. I hope you have a great day.